Locksmith near me, Truro, Nova Scotia. If you're locked out, need keys, call Mr. Locksmith, Truro, Nova Scotia. If you need 24-hour lockout services, house lockout, call Mr. Locksmith, Truro. Rekey locks, lock repair, locks rekeyed, lock change. Mr. Locksmith, Truro is there to help. Mr. Locksmith Truro does commercial and residential services. House lockout, locked out, need keys, no problem. Key extraction, if you've broken the key to your house or your business, we can remove the broken key and make you brand new keys. You lost your keys to your mailbox, we can open your mailbox, repair it, replace it, give you brand new keys. If you're locked out of your mailbox, we can make you new keys. Mr. Locksmith Truro is your complete locksmithing service. If you need a master key system, we can design it from scratch or we can add on to your existing master key system. Mr. Locksmith services all major locks and door locks for residential and commercial locks. Abloy, Primus, Slage, Weiser, Kwikset, Ingersoll Rand, Multilock, Assa, Medico, Abloy. If you're locked out of your safe and you can't get in, we specialize in opening safes that you can't get open. If you're locked out of your Sentry safe, call Mr. Locksmith Truro. We can open that safe easily and quickly. So for a locksmith, Truro, Nova Scotia, call Mr. Locksmith.